So this is my level 3 class. We are learning how to bake today. More specifically, we're learning how to do cookies and then French baguettes. So we have Chef Denis Niez from the Ovens of France, who's here to help us through this process. So the kids are learning how to measure in French and how to knead and mix and all that fun stuff. And then we'll be proceeding to the ovens very shortly to bake our products.
Regardez, on va prendre comme ça. Un chacun, d'accord? Après. Une baguette. Voilà.
So good.
That's
Oh
mine.
my god, there's so much food.
This is mine.
Oh god.
That's gonna be good.
Wait, which one is ours?
This one is.
Ovens of France.